Hi all, this is Mahesh. Welcome to Vartagam Saivam YouTube channel. First of all, thanks to all who are all subscribing my channel and giving me the great support. One of our follower is asking for Fibonacci retracement, how to plot the Fibonacci retracement in the charts. So I have decided to upload a video of Fibonacci retracement. So now we will see about the Fibonacci retracement. Before getting into the chapter, we will see a little bit theoretical part about Fibonacci retracement. Then we will see in TradingView website how to draw that Fibonacci retracement. Okay, what is Fibonacci numbers? Fibonacci numbers are nothing but the sequence of numbers which has been developed by Italian mathematician named Leonardo Fibonacci. Fibonacci numbers is not only the structure of calculation of the numbers, because these Fibonacci numbers were everywhere in nature, because all the natures are following that Fibonacci numbers. Okay, how the sequences number are being calculated? The numbers has been calculated from 0 1. By adding the previous number, the sequence of the numbers are being calculated. For example, first take 0 and 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Likewise, the numbers are being calculated. We have to add the previous number and the numbers has to be calculated. Then what is the significance of Fibonacci numbers? In this sequence, if you take any number, for example, if you take 55, 55 divided by 55, 1, then 55, then 34 divided by 55, 0.618, then 21 divided by 55, 0.382, then 13 divided by 55, 0.236. Likewise, the ratios are being calculated. If you take any number, for 233, if you take, say, 233 divided by 233 equal to 1, 144 divided by 233 equal to 0.618, 233 89 divided by 233 equal to 0.382, 55 divided by 233 equal to 0.236. If you take, the same results has been generated. This is the most important characteristic of Fibonacci numbers. Since it is followed by the natures, why this can be followed by the stock market? If you people ask whether this Fibonacci numbers are being followed in the stock market, means I will say yes. In stock market also the Fibonacci numbers are being followed. Okay, we will see how these Fibonacci numbers are being used in stock market. In the stock market, if you want to calculate the retracement levels, which means Fibonacci levels, there is a tool which is called Fibonacci retracement is being used. This Fibonacci retracement tool is used to draw the line to identify the level of resistance in uptrend. The same wise, it is used to identify the support level in the downtrend. This is nothing but the support, to identify the support and resistance level by the way of mathematical calculation, which is called Fibonacci retracement. What are the Fibonacci levels? These are the Fibonacci levels: 0.236 per 236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, 1, then 1. What are the Fibonacci extension levels? 0.618, 2.618, 3.618, 4.236, 6.854 and 11.089. This is State Bank chart. Here I am going to draw the Fibonacci level. See, this is swing high, this is swing low. See, from swing high to swing low I have drawn the Fibonacci level. Where it has been reached the target, it has been reached the target level of 1.618 level. Then, which is golden ratio. Then again swing high to swing low. See, 1.681 level. Then swing high to swing low. It nearest to 1.681 level. See, always market will respond the Fibonacci level. Okay, we will check another chart. I have taken the Reliance chart. See, this is the swing high to swing low. If you place here, see, it touches 1.618 level. Then it achieved the 2.681 level. Then finally it goes to 3.681 level. See, you can check in every swing. Again I will place in this swing. If you check, see, 1.681 level it achieved, 2.618 level it reached, and then 3.618 level finally it has been reached. See, if you check every swing, it responding the Fibonacci level. This is one swing, this is another swing, this is another swing. See, if you check 3.618 level, it has responded. The price is always responding the Fibonacci levels. The Fibonacci levels is one of the powerful tool and important tool for doing the trading. See, earlier I have analyzed the Reliance chart based on the Fibonacci levels. See, I have perfectly plotted that Fibonacci levels here on 1.618 level here, and Fib levels are here. At the price moment already reached since it is 1.618 level, I decided it will break out and reach the 2.618 level. See, I have clearly mentioned here, as per my analysis, it perfectly break the level. See, it comes here, then it break the level, 2.618 level. It completed. Then next, the same Reliance I have analyzed. Once it completed the 2.618 level, I have posted here, Reliance completed its 2.618 level. It may go to complete its level of 3.618 level. See what happened finally. Perfectly it hit the 3.618 level. This is how Fibonacci works. Fibonacci is a very important tool. We have to master with the Fibonacci tool once we mastery in that Fibonacci tool, we can take the trade in any time frame. See, usually the larger time frame will give the perfect results, because the noises will be avoided in the larger time frame. So try to analyze the charts moreover in the larger time frame, day time frame, 4 hours time frame, then one day time frame. For positional trading, I am telling. So larger time frame will give accurate analysis. Okay, then we will go to the chapter. See, what is the entry and exit points of Fibonacci level? Usually the price goes up and then it will come down, then it will go up, then it will come down, then it will go up. Usually in a trending market the price is moving like this. For you, while you are taking buy entry, this is the retracement level. Usually this retracement level will be 2.36 or 3.82 for every swing. At this level the price will touch for the retracement. This is for one confirmation. Then you have to check the RSI level. This is one of the very important indicator, that is called RSI indicator. The RSI signal should be below 50 to 45 level. If it is below, even though it is below 45 level, you can take a buy entry. For exit, if Fib level reached the golden ratio and RSI reached above 80 to 90%, you should come out of that trade. For sell entry, vice versa, just opposite of buy entry. RSI level should be above 50 level. See, in a downtrend market, this will come down, then go up, this will come down, then this will go up. See, you should take the trade here. This is for sell entry, or put option, this is for buy entry. RSI signal should be above 55 level. Exit point, if Fib level reached the golden ratio 1.6 level, the RSI should shown below the 15 or 10. These are the entry and exit points of Fibonacci level. This is a very important thing. I think this video will helpful how to you plot the Fibonacci levels. Keep plot the Fibonacci levels in old data, then only you will be able to analyze the chart in a professional manner, because Fibonacci is one of the most important ratio. Usually all the support and resistance also based on function with these Fibonacci levels. So everyone should know the Fibonacci levels. In a trending market, Fibonacci levels are most important, because we can, in a trending market only, we can fix the target based on the Fibonacci levels easily. Okay, thank you for all. Thank you who are all supporting me, and if anybody has not been subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Kindly give your comments in the comment section. Based on your feedback only I can able to correct myself. So since I am in a beginner level for uploading YouTube videos, giving guidance, so it will help me to develop more and more. Thank you for all people. Thank you.